How to change phone number on SoFi Invest. Follow the instructions. Open the SoFi app on your mobile device. Log into your account with your username and password. Tap on the profile icon in the top left corner. Scroll down and select the option for profile or account settings. Tap on the contact information section. Look for the phone number field. Tap the edit button next to the phone number. Choose to change or update your phone number. Enter your new mobile number in the space provided. Tap the option to send a verification code. Wait for the text message with the 6-digit verification code. Enter the verification code when prompted. Submit the changes to confirm your new phone number. Check your profile to make sure the number was updated correctly. Thank you for watching.